Hi, how are you? I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm going to show you how we spent $5 and made this wood art and sold it for 50. So we made this rabbit wood art and the materials cost right around $5. The backboard was $2.50, the frame was around $1.50, and the wood for the rabbit was $1. And it took about an hour and 10 minutes in total to make, and we sold it for $50. If you're new here, hi, I'm Donna, and on our channel we like to show you woodworking projects that we've made and that have sold really well for us, and we generally like to focus on items that give you a high profit. So this is no different. This particular wood art project, the pattern is available on our Etsy store if that's something you're interested in. The link is in the description below. And you can see generally our projects are made out of scrap wood. This is no different. So I just have some scrap wood that I've glued the pattern onto, and now I'm cutting it out on the scroll saw. So I'll cut out all the different pieces and then we'll move on to staining. I'm such a huge supporter and believer in wood art. I think it's a fantastic way to really express yourself creatively, and you can do just about any topic or subject, and you can sell these pieces. They sell really well. For us, we sell these pieces for $50 and they cost us about $5. So that's $45 that will make for about an hour's worth of work. That's well worth it for us. And I find I generally work on more than one project at a time, and I find that really helps with efficiencies when you're staining. If you're staining 4 different projects at once, or if you're cutting them all out, it just seems to really cut back on my time. So here you can see I'm now staining the rabbit into the different pieces, and I'm using 3 different stain colors here. I'm using basically a light, medium, and dark. I have a natural wood stain, early American, and then a dark walnut. So I like to use the different stain colors to start to build the dimension and the interest in the piece. So that different coloration will really help to build interest and the start of the dimension. You'll see as we go further into this, I really like to take my pieces and do a little extra shadow work with some paint to really help bring out that dimension. That's what I'm starting here. So I basically just take some brown and black acrylic paint and I water it down, and then I really use it in the different cuts, and I use it to create shadows to really help build that dimension. I have a full video on the channel that goes into the steps, step by step, in a real-time tutorial of how this process works. And we do have a website, ideas2ididit.com. And if you want to go check out the website, we have more information on different projects that you could build and sell, as well as different techniques and methods with the projects that we do. As well, if you sign up for our newsletter, we will we'll email you a free wood art project, so you could give wood art a try as well and see if it's something that you would like to do either as a hobby or to make some extra money. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. We always love to hear from you. And if this is something that you're interested in, we have a lot of other wood art videos on the channel, as well as different projects. If you're just looking for some ideas on how to make a bit of extra money at nights and on the weekends around your job, we have a lot of different projects, something that may interest you. We have lots of different videos on the channel, so go check that out and consider subscribing if you think this is something that you would enjoy. And if you want to give us the like on this video, that would be fantastic. It helps so much. And we're really trying to grow the channel and the community. And when you leave us a like or subscribe, it really tells YouTube that you're enjoying the content, and it really does help with the growth. So you can see here, I'm just really working on the shadow work around the muzzle and in the ears to really help create that depth. I hope you can really see that this really does make the piece pop. These particular pieces, we had someone, they bought 3 pieces from us, and then they ordered an additional 3 custom pieces that they wanted, and this was one of those. And then when they actually came, they actually wanted 2 additional pieces. So they bought, I think, 8 from us in total, 8 or 9. So it was fantastic. And I really feel like wood art is just, the possibilities are truly endless. And you could really do whatever your interest is, or your interest in your area as well. And really just give it a go. So for the eyes, I just traced them from the pattern and then painted them in. And that was it. So here is the completed piece, and we really hope you love it, and we appreciate you spending your time with us. Have a great day.